If you stream on Twitch, you've definitely seen it happen. A random clip suddenly goes viral and you have strangers flooding your DMs. Short-form video is the absolute attention engine right now, so you need to get your content off Twitch and onto other platforms immediately. While a single viral clip doesn't guarantee a loyal fan base, growing on these secondary platforms creates massive opportunities for your career. We are talking about doors opening for sponsorships, collaborations, and better discoverability for your main channel. The basic strategy is straightforward. Start posting your best clips to Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and X. Although Twitter sometimes accepts landscape, the internet currently demands vertical portrait-style content for almost everything else. Even if you have a hectic schedule with a day job or family, you need a workflow that transforms clips without burning you out. Today, I am breaking down every method for this, from quick web tools to high-end editing suites and automated solutions like Vizard. First, let's talk about Streamladder, which is incredibly popular because it lets you pull clips directly without even logging in. They offer simple templates for gameplay or webcam layouts, but you will quickly find the free tier feels a bit restrictive. Because the free version caps your output at 720p, you might eventually hit a paywall if you need 1080p exports. Next is JoinCombo, which is honestly one of my favorites because the free tier gives you genuine flexibility with your layout. You can save your custom templates and even edit directly on your phone browser, which is a massive win for mobile workflows. Their Pro tier adds automation that formats clips on the fly, which saves you from manual labor during your busy streaming schedule. Then we have CrossClip, which is the Streamlabs answer for those who want a quick, integrated conversion tool. It is decent for simple, fast conversions, but just be aware that free exports are capped and usually include a watermark. Now let's look at the Pro route, using professional video editing software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. This method requires way more effort, but it gives you total creative control over every single pixel of your final output. I personally build a master composition where I can just swap the footage, add captions, and style the export perfectly. The downside is that this is incredibly time-consuming and not ideal if you need to churn out dozens of clips every single week. If you prefer working strictly on your phone, apps like InShot and CapCut are the current kings of the mobile space. Workflow here usually means grabbing a clip with a downloader tool, then importing it into your editor to add effects and music. CapCut in particular has amazing effects and presets that are perfect for making your clips trend-ready without much effort. These apps are accessible anywhere, but you are still responsible for manually picking the best highlights and timing everything out. So where does Vizard fit into this whole puzzle? Think of Vizard as your hands-off solution for when you want both high volume and decent quality without the manual grind. Their AI actually scans your long-form footage to find the most engaging moments, like clutch plays or funny reactions. Then you can set a schedule and let the platform handle the distribution, which keeps your feed consistent. It is not meant to replace professional editing software, but it is excellent for removing the repetition from your pipeline. Ultimately, you have to decide if you want the quick speed of Streamladder, the template freedom of JoinCombo, or the control of an NLE. Regardless of the tool you choose, always remember to hard-code your captions so they work even when the sound is muted. Also, please prioritize vertical 9:16 aspect ratios because that is how almost everyone is consuming content on their phones now. Try building a consistent template or batching your workflow because consistency is the secret sauce for any creator. If you are working with a team, those search features in Streamladder or JoinCombo will save you hours every single week. If you want to scale up to 20 clips a week, that is where tools like Vizard become a total game changer. There is no single best tool for everyone, so pick the one that fits your current budget and time constraints. Try one of these workflows for just 30 days, and I guarantee you will see your short-form presence start to grow. If you have a unique trick or a secret app that works for you, leave it in the comments below because I want to hear about it. Go out there, streamline your clipping process, and get those views without burning yourself out in the process.